Did you know that there are 3 amazing elements that can help you with clogged arteries? Today we are discussing this important subject, and how extra virgin olive oil, flax seeds, and cayenne pepper can help you with this problem. So stay tuned. Hello, dear friends, and welcome back to Levitas, your #1 trusted information source for weight loss, health, and wellness insights. Today we're diving into an exciting topic that could be a game changer for your cardiovascular health. We're going to discuss how a simple shot combining extra virgin olive oil, flax seeds, and cayenne pepper can help open your arteries on the spot. This natural remedy is packed with health benefits and could be a powerful addition to your daily routine. Let's get started. What is atherosclerosis? Atherosclerosis is a condition where the arteries become narrowed and hardened due to a buildup of plaque on the artery walls. This plaque is composed of fat, cholesterol, calcium, and other substances found in the blood. Over time, this buildup can restrict blood flow, leading to various cardiovascular problems, including heart attacks and strokes. How is atherosclerosis formed? Atherosclerosis begins when the inner lining of an artery becomes damaged. This damage can be caused by high blood pressure, poor diet, high cholesterol, smoking, alcohol consumption, or other factors. Once the artery wall is damaged, fatty deposits or plaques start to accumulate at the site of injury. As these plaques build up, they cause the arteries to thicken and harden, reducing their elasticity and making it more difficult for blood to flow through them. Is atherosclerosis normal? While some degree of atherosclerosis can be a common part of aging, it is not inevitable and can be prevented or minimized with a healthy lifestyle. Early stages of atherosclerosis might not cause any symptoms, but as it progresses, it can lead to serious health issues. It's important to address risk factors early on to prevent significant artery blockages. What are the atherosclerosis signs and symptoms? Atherosclerosis often develops slowly and can be asymptomatic until it becomes severe. Some common signs and symptoms include chest pain or angina, shortness of breath, fatigue, confusion if the blockage affects circulation to your brain, muscle weakness or leg pain if arteries in your legs are narrowed. What foods clog your arteries? Certain foods can contribute to the development of atherosclerosis by raising inflammation, blood cholesterol levels, and promoting plaque formation. Get ready to explore which foods to avoid and why they pose a risk. 1. Processed foods. Foods that are high in trans fats and seed oils, such as fast food, fried foods, and commercially baked goods, increase LDL cholesterol and lower HDL cholesterol, promoting plaque buildup. 2. Sugary beverages and sweets. High sugar intake can lead to chronic inflammation, insulin resistance, obesity, and high blood pressure, all of which contribute to atherosclerosis. 3. Processed commercial meats. These are high in starches, saturated fats, and cholesterol. These mixture can raise LDL cholesterol levels. 4. High sodium foods. Excessive salt can raise blood pressure, damaging artery walls and making them more susceptible to plaque buildup. 5. Commercial dairy products. Commercial dairy products, which are rich in sugar, artificial sweeteners, additives, fats, and chemicals, can increase inflammation, cholesterol levels, and contribute to plaque formation. How does extra virgin olive oil help clogged arteries? Extra virgin olive oil is rich in monounsaturated fats and antioxidants, which can help reduce inflammation and lower LDL cholesterol levels. The polyphenols in olive oil also have anti-inflammatory properties that protect the artery walls from damage, thus reducing the risk of plaque buildup. Regular consumption of extra virgin olive oil has been associated with improved heart health and reduced risk of cardiovascular diseases. How can flax seeds help in atherosclerosis? Flax seeds are an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and lignans. Omega-3 fatty acids help reduce inflammation and lower blood pressure, while the fiber content helps to reduce cholesterol levels by binding to cholesterol in the digestive system and preventing its absorption. Lignans, which are plant compounds with antioxidant properties, also help reduce inflammation and protect against the buildup of plaque in the arteries. How does cayenne pepper help in atherosclerosis? Cayenne pepper contains capsaicin, which has powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Capsaicin can help improve blood circulation by preventing blood clots and reducing the formation of plaque in the arteries. It also helps to lower blood pressure by relaxing the blood vessels, which improves blood flow and reduces the strain on the cardiovascular system. Why it's better to mix these three components? Combining extra virgin olive oil, flax seeds, and cayenne pepper into a single shot leverages the synergistic effects of these ingredients. Each component contributes unique properties that, when combined, provide an amazing approach to cardiovascular health, improving and reducing artery plaquing. The monounsaturated fats and polyphenols in olive oil, the omega-3 fatty acids and fiber in flax seeds, and the capsaicin in cayenne pepper work together to reduce inflammation, lower cholesterol levels, improve blood flow, and protect the arteries from damage. This powerful combination can help to keep your arteries clear and your heart healthy. So take a shot of 1 or 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, add a teaspoon of flax seeds, mix both with the teaspoon. At last, add half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper and mix again. It is always better to drink this shot right before breaking your fast. So start improving your arteries' health right now. Can meds clog your arteries? Certain medications can inadvertently contribute to the development of atherosclerosis. These meds include hormone replacement therapy, also known as HRT. Used to treat symptoms of menopause, HRT can increase the risk of blood clots and atherosclerosis. Antipsychotics. Some antipsychotic medications can lead to weight gain, high cholesterol, and high blood pressure. Beta blockers. While these medications are used to manage heart conditions, they can sometimes raise triglyceride levels and lower HDL cholesterol. Steroids. Long-term use of corticosteroids can increase cholesterol levels and blood pressure, contributing to atherosclerosis. How to diagnose atherosclerosis? Diagnosing atherosclerosis typically involves a combination of physical exams, blood tests, imaging tests like ultrasound or CT scans, and possibly an angiogram to visualize the arteries. Treatment focuses on lifestyle changes, such as adopting a heart-healthy diet, regular exercise, and quitting smoking. Medications may be prescribed to lower cholesterol, control blood pressure, and prevent blood clots. In severe cases, surgical interventions like angioplasty or bypass surgery might be necessary to restore proper blood flow. In conclusion, and to summarize today's video, atherosclerosis, the condition where arteries become narrowed and hardened due to plaque buildup, is a major health concern. This plaque, made up of fat, cholesterol, calcium, and other substances, restricts blood flow and can lead to severe cardiovascular problems such as heart attacks and strokes. The process begins with damage to the artery's inner lining caused by factors like high blood pressure, poor diet, high cholesterol, smoking, and alcohol consumption. Once damaged, fatty deposits accumulate, causing the arteries to thicken, harden, and lose elasticity, impeding blood flow. While some atherosclerosis can be a common part of aging, it is neither inevitable nor irreversible. Early intervention and a healthy lifestyle can significantly minimize its progression. Atherosclerosis often progresses without symptoms until it becomes severe. Common signs include chest pain, shortness of breath, fatigue, confusion, and muscle weakness or leg pain. Certain foods exacerbate atherosclerosis by raising blood cholesterol levels and promoting plaque formation. Processed foods high in trans fats, sweets, sugary beverages, commercial processed meats, high-sodium foods, and commercial dairy products contribute to this condition by increasing LDL cholesterol, promoting insulin resistance, and raising blood pressure. Extra virgin olive oil, flax seeds, and cayenne pepper are natural remedies that can help combat and improve atherosclerosis. Extra virgin olive oil is rich in monounsaturated fats and antioxidants, which reduce inflammation and lower LDL cholesterol. Flax seeds offer omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and lignans, which collectively reduce inflammation, lower blood pressure, and decrease cholesterol levels. Cayenne pepper contains capsaicin, known for its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, which improve blood circulation and reduce plaque formation. Combining these 3 ingredients into a daily shot leverages their synergistic effects. The monounsaturated fats and polyphenols in olive oil, the omega-3 fatty acids and fiber in flax seeds, and the capsaicin in cayenne pepper work together to reduce inflammation, improve blood flow, and protect artery walls from damage. To prepare this beneficial shot, mix 1 to 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil with a teaspoon of flax seeds and half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Consuming this mixture before breakfast can enhance cardiovascular health and help maintain clear arteries. Certain medications, including hormone replacement therapy, antipsychotics, beta blockers, and long-term steroids can contribute to atherosclerosis by raising cholesterol levels, promoting weight gain, and increasing blood pressure. Recognizing and mitigating these risks is crucial in managing cardiovascular health. Diagnosing atherosclerosis involves physical exams, blood tests, and imaging tests like ultrasound or CT scans, with angiograms providing detailed visuals of arterial blockages. Treatment strategies focus on lifestyle changes such as a heart-healthy diet, regular exercise, and smoking cessation. In severe cases, surgical interventions like angioplasty or bypass surgery might be necessary to restore proper blood flow. By understanding the factors contributing to atherosclerosis and leveraging natural remedies alongside medical treatments, individuals can significantly improve their cardiovascular health and prevent serious complications. Incorporating extra virgin olive oil, flax seeds, and cayenne pepper into your daily routine is a simple yet powerful step towards maintaining healthy arteries and overall well-being. Thank you for tuning in to Levitas. If you found this video helpful and informative, please be sure to share it with your friends and family. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for future videos on weight loss, health, and fitness content. Also, leave a comment sharing your questions, thoughts, and experiences with today's subject. We love hearing from you. Your support is very appreciated. It helps us grow and create even more content for empowering you to achieve a better body and optimal health every week. Remember to fuel your body with the right nutrients, stay consistent with your training, and keep striving for your fitness goals. Until next time, remain tuned to Levitas for more expert advice to help you on your health and fitness journey. So stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.